Federal food aid will also pause this week. The Department of Agriculture posted this alert to its website saying Supplemental Nutritional Assistance Program, or SNAP, benefits will not be issued on November 1st. The program helps 1 in 8 Americans buy groceries. Around 1.4 million North Carolinians will not receive their SNAP benefits. That means some will have to turn to local food pantries. Our Rachel Richardson is checking in with pantries about the rise in food insecurity.
This is a busy time of year for food pantries as they prepare to keep shelves stocked for the holidays. But this year I spoke with 2 that say that they're already seeing an increase in need, and they're expecting even more people to need food through the end of the year.
Well, it's difficult to prepare for this perfect storm.
Amid the rise in grocery prices, the government shutdown, and now possible cuts to federal program benefits, I spoke with 2 food pantries in Charlotte that say they've seen more families come in for food assistance.
Military families, DSS has been coming over, Atrium Health has been bringing people over straight out the hospital when they get them discharged. Schools are calling, wanting to know how can they get food for some of their families.
Jeanette Keinert is the executive director of Champion House of Care Project 1. With decades of experience, she tells me she hasn't seen things get to this level. 2 times a week, she watches families fill this space, shopping for essentials. Tina Postel, the CEO of Nourish Up, says she's had some federal workers even reluctant to call.
And he told us, look, I've been a donor to you all for the longest time, but with my family of 4 and no income currently coming in, I'm going to need your help.
The holidays are normally a busier time for pantries. They tell me this year may look different.
To be quite honest, we're a bit alarmed about how we're going to manage this upcoming holiday demand.
Because we know that Thanksgiving morning we go out and feed the community, but will we have that food?
Both organizations get food through the Second Harvest Food Bank of Metrolina, donations and purchases. Last fiscal year, Tina says they spent $1.5 million on fresh food.
That is the most we have ever spent in our 50-year history.
As many anticipate cuts to programs like SNAP, WIC, and TPAP, which all provide food and nutrition, Tina encourages people to reach out to their local leaders.
And there is not a nonprofit on the planet that can make up for the gap in what our federal government can and should provide to people in need.
More information about both of those organizations will be available on our website, WBTV.com. In Charlotte, Rachel Richardson, WBTV on your side.